Hello, in this video I want to show you how to quick sell items in Dark and Darker. To do this, first we'll need to open our Merchants tab, then navigate to the merchant you want to sell some stuff. In this case, let's go for the Armorer, and then we're gonna go for the Sell tab, then select our tab, and let's sell those boots. So what we want to do to sell quickly is hold Control on our keyboard, the left one, and then click on the left button of your mouse to quickly put items in the selling slot. Like this. When you're ready, click on Make a Deal. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.